It was the boom heard around western Washington as a meteor streaked across the sky. So here's a question. Can you track a meteor in the air by looking at earthquake seismometers in the ground?
Looks like you can, as scientists from the Pacific Northwest Seismic Network analyze the trail left by the sonic boom. King 5's Glenn Farley has been following this story since Wednesday.
This is a meteorite from Russia.
Mouse Royce wore her special pendant today as she helped work on figuring out where that meteor ended up after it created a flash and a bang along the coast around 10 after 7 Wednesday night. That was the sound, likely the sonic boom, as the bright bolide meteor flew overhead. Sound travels through the air at well over 700 miles per hour. We saw it register clear as a bell on 2 seismometers around Grays Harbor, one in Ocean Shores. But they weren't the first to pick it up. It showed up on at least 9 seismometers, some clearer than others. The first one further north into Hola. We say around 10 after because the sound was heard at different times depending on how far away you were, and that's key.
So it's 7:07 Pacific Standard Time, and we go until almost 3:12. So we're looking at not quite 5 minutes, 4.5 minutes across these 9 stations.
And these are the tools of the trade, the seismometers, usually bolted to the floors of fire stations and schools and other buildings. They'll pick up sounds that shake the ground and then are fed into the Pacific Northwest Seismic Network at the University of Washington.
Second on MoClips, and so we definitely saw it seismically going southward, the Ocean Shores area stations.
Then there are these, the seismograms, looking for certain frequencies seen across that range of stations.
And by looking for things that matched the signal at these 2 Ocean Shores nearby stations, we were able to identify some of the other stations that look promising and then go back and look at the waveforms and say, okay, do we see it?
Ultimately, they think that the meteor exploded in the air over the ocean.
Science is cool.
At the University of Washington, Glenn Farley, King 5 News.
So there is a serious side to all of this. Seismometers will give us an early warning that a big earthquake has started before the shaking reaches further inland. And there is a call now for more funding for hundreds of additional seismometers to help build out that network.